A truck accident injury attorney, also known as personal injury lawyer, specializing in truck accident, is a legal professional who help individuals to have been injured in accident involving commercial truck. These accidents often result in several injuries due to the size and weight of the trucks involved. The guide will help and provide a detailed overview of that what a truck accident injury attorney does and how to find the right one for your case. Understanding truck accident. Truck accident can involve serious type of commercial vehicles in it, including some of them are semi-truck, tractors, delivery trucks and buses. These accidents can result from various factors such as driver negligence, improper maintenance and road conditions. Role of a truck accident injury attorney. Investigating the accident. Attorneys will gather evidence to determine ability and liabilities, which may involve in obtaining accident reports, witness statements and reviewing the truck maintenance and safety records. Identify responsible parties. They will determine if the truck drivers, trucking companies, or other parties are liable for the accident. Calculate damages. Attorney will assess your injury and damage to determine the compensation you deserve, including medical bills, lost wages, pains, and suffering. Negotiation with insurance company. They will communicate and negotiate with the insurance companies on your behalf to obtain a fair statement. If a fair statement can't be reached, your attorney will file a lawsuit and represents your case in the court. How to find the right truck accident injury attorney. Experience. Look for an attorney with a track record of handling truck accident case. They should be knowledgeable about the unique complexities of these cases. Specialization. Seek an attorney who specializes in personal injury law, particularly in truck accident. Specialization often means deeper expertise. Reputation. Check online reviews, testimonials, and ask for reference to an attorney's reputation and past success. Initial consultation. Schedule an initial consultation to discuss your case. Use this meeting to assess the attorney's communication style and evaluate if you feel comfortable working with them. Fees. Discuss the attorney fees during the initial consultation. Many personal injuries attorneys work on contingency fee basis. They only get paid if you win a case in the court. The legal process. Filing a lawsuit is a settlement can't be reached. Your attorney will initiate a lawsuit against the at fault parties. Discovery. This phase involves exchanging evidence and information between parties. Negotiation, settlement, discussion may continue throughout the litigation process. Trials. If a settlement is not achieved, your case will go to trial, where your attorney will present your case to judge and jury. Compensation. Compensation in truck accident case may include medical expenses, lost income, pain and suffering, property damage, and potentially punitive damage in case of extreme negligence. Time frame. Duration of a truck accident case can vary widely, but it often takes several months to several years to reach a resolution. In summary, hiring a truck accident injury attorney is crucial. If you have been involved in a truck accident and suffered injuries, they can guide you through the legal process, help you seek fair compensation, and ensure you are right and protected. When reaching an attorney, focus on experience, specialization, reputation, and a fee structure that works for you. Remember that truck accident cases may be complex, so having a knowledgeable attorney on your side is essential.